Hello everyone, this is Curtis with WeedWhacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is Friday, March the 12th, 2021. And I'm out taking care of some lawns here today. Just showed up at a property that I'm finna take care of. And well, it needs some work, so we're gonna see what we can do to it. I have Cody again out helping me today, so we're finna get busy. But let's look at what we're gonna be working on today. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, this is the way it looks. As you can see, we're gonna have to do an edge job on it. We're gonna have to clean out the flower beds, get all of that cleaned up there, and let's see, get our little leaf debris off from over there. And we also have let's see, this here side over here to take care of. Yeah, we got a number of things here to do today, so that's what we're gonna be working on. So we're gonna take a look at the backyard back here. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Got a little leaf debris right back here. Okay, so this here's the way the backyard looks. So we're just looking at it. Okay, ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. So we're just gonna see if we can get this here all cleaned up here. Okay. Okay, just looking at that. Gonna take a little time, but we'll get it. Hey, there's a limb over there. We need to pick up from the tree that has fallen off the tree over there. Got that to pick up. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be working on. We're finna see if we can jump in here and get busy and get this one here all cleaned up today. Yeah, so we're not gonna waste too much time because we're gonna do a lot of time on working here. That's what we are showing up to do. It's work. We gotta put in some work today. So that's what we're finna do. We're finna get busy, see if we can get this one all taken care of. I got a number of them on the list to do today. So y'all, just stay tuned. I'm gonna give you a quick after view. I would show you the whole thing process of doing this, but I'm pushing for time right now. But stay tuned, I'll give you an after view. Okay everyone, we just finished up this here lawn. Let me give y'all a quick view of it and then we're gonna take off. Okay, here we go. This here is the way the front look after mowing, edging, and trimming up everything on the side. We also got the flower beds all cleaned out and everything, and the customer wanted to get it, you know, trimmed up here, not too much, but just trim it off a lot of the dead debris that was from the winter storm there. So we got that all cleaned up for the customer, and as you can see over in the flower bed, we got that all cleaned up. As you know, in the beginning of the video, you know how it was looking, and this is how it looked after cleaning it up and everything, getting everything all cleaned up. So I'm just sharing this a little bit with you, the overall outcome of getting this here all taken care of here. And we had some debris from the back, so we got that up, and as you can see, this here is the way the side looks and all. So let's walk back here to the back and give y'all a view of the way the back look. Now this one, it took some time just to get in here and get it cleaned up to give it an overall clean appearance. And you know, times when you run into these, it takes time. So as you can see, as I showed y'all in the beginning of the way everything was looking when we first started, and this here is the outcome after taking our time and getting all this debris all cleaned up and all this, you can see right here. So this here is the overall appearance of the backyard. So you can see we got everything all over the backyard, all mowed, and all the leaves and everything the best we could get all up and all. So that's it for this one. So now I'm headed to go and do another one Now I don't know how this other one is going to turn out. It's my first time, like this is my first time taking care of this here lawn here. So it took a little, you know, it always takes time to get these things trimmed up to make them look good. It's not something that you can just run in and run out. You have to do a lot of detailed work to make these lawns look good. And that's what customers pay for, you know. So y'all stay tuned. We on our way to another one. Okay guys, we just arrived at the next property we're finna take care of, and we're really pushing for time because we spent quite a bit of time on that last property there that we were taking care of. But let's take a quick view of this one. Okay, here we go. It's this one right here. We're gonna take care of the front and the back, so we're getting ready to just jump in here and see if we can get this one taken care of right quick. So I'm not gonna waste too much time. We got to roll. Okay, we're back. Hey, I'm almost through with this one here. I got the front mowed, we got it all edged up and everything. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. This here is the way it looked after getting in here, mowing, edging, and trimming everything up and all. As you can see, this is the front of it. So got that all taken care of. Got Cody is mowing the back. He's going back over it. I already mowed it once, but I always like to go back over it a second time just to give it that good clean appearance, and it takes us a little time just to go over it, but I just felt like one more pass over it would make it really look good. And that's what we done on the front. I mean, I mowed it with the bigger mower, and then I took and went back over it with the smaller mower just to give it a good clean appearance, you know, starting out the lawn care season, you know, mulching it up and just cleaning it up real good and all. As you can see, that's what I'm doing here. So sometimes when I do these, it take a little longer to do it because it's just more time in it, you know. Right here they got a little stake there, so I'm trying to put this here back down so that it'll make that tree will grow straight and won't lean. So that's what I'm doing on that right there. Okay, so yeah, once that one is finished up, we will be heading to another one. So just giving a overall appearance of the way everything looks after getting this one here all mowed up and all. So let's look back here at the back. Let's see how this looks back here. It's Cody. How's he doing back here? Okay. He's almost through, so he didn't have to do nothing but just go back over it. And see, that's, as you can see, the way it's looking back here. When I mowed it with the bigger mower, I needed to just go back over it again and level it off. And as you can see, we got it mowed down all right. So we're almost through here on this one. So like I say, I just wanted to leave it in a good clean appearance, and basically every lawn that I mow, we always get some compliments, and sometimes I even get some tips, you know, some of those cash tips, which is always appreciated, you know, from doing these lawns. And you know, I mostly appreciate it when customers do that. You know, thanks for the you know, the tip, you know, for the appreciation for us to come out and do the lawn and all, and take time and really make it look good and go over it, just, you know, do a good thorough mowing. Really want to make the customer happy with what we're doing for them, and that's most appreciated. And a lot of customers will show appreciation, so I really appreciate that, because it helps a long way. You just never know with the prices of gas going up and all. And just, you know, it's just some hard times out here trying to keep going. Anyway, y'all, let me wrap this one up and get out of here and see about getting to another one there. Y'all stay tuned. If we get time, I'll share the next one with you. Okay, everyone, we just arrived at another property we're finna take care of. This one here has a lot of leaves in it. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. As you can see, this here lawn here, I was taking care of it last year, and the customer asked me to come back this year again to take care of it in 2021. So as you can see, this here is what we're finna work on right here. I'm gonna see about getting all of these leaves pushed to one side over here. So as you can see, this here is what I'm working on. So I got to get all of these leaves up out of here. I'm gonna try to mulch most of them up, and then try to well, I may have to bag some of them, but as you can see right here. Okay, so Cody's been working with me today, so let's ask Cody how's it going. Cody, how's it going there, man? How you like working out here doing this lawn care work this year?
It's pretty good.
It's good?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we're busy?
Yes.
We're busy. We're busy from last week. We worked on one, and so this week here we're busy again. Man, you think we can make it this year? It's rough out here.
Yeah, we can make it.
All right.
Just have to push it.
There we go. There we go. Y'all see what Cody said? We're gonna have to just push it, y'all. We just gotta keep pushing. But hey, let me give y'all a quick view of the back here, and see what I gotta work with on this back here. So I already opened the gate up back here. We're walking back here, and as you can see, this is what I'm gonna have to work with back here. So as you can see, we got a lot of these here blue bonnets that are coming out. As you can see right here, a lot of them are growing right here, these blue bonnets. So I have to mow them all down. We got to get this here before it gets out of hand here. So look like a board has fallen out of the fence. Okay, so just looking at this right here. Okay, yeah, so this is the way it looks, y'all. When I gotta get mowed down, so we're finna get in here and see if we can get this here all taken care of on this here property here. Hopefully I get this one out the way, and then I got another one to go and do. So we just gotta keep pushing. Yep. Let's go back here to the front. As you can see, we're getting a lot of dust here, so we got Cody's already working there. He's getting all those leaves pushed to this here side. So once we get them all pushed, then we're gonna take and try to mulch them all up over on one side. So we're gonna spend a few minutes here trying to get this all cleaned up. As you can see, I'm finna jump in here, y'all. Like I said, I would find a place to put the camera, but I'm gonna have to. I gotta work quick on this here because I got another one to go do, and I'm pushing for time on this right now. So let me get my mower down and get to this back and see about getting it all mowed down while Cody get all these leaves pushed to one side. I'm gonna get my right mower down. Okay, y'all. Just stay tuned. We'll be back. Okay, everyone. We're back. Got all these leaves up. It took some time to get them leaves up, I tell you. Ooh, it took some time to get them leaves up. Well, let's take a look at what we accomplished here. Okay, here we go. This here's the way it looks. We got all the leaves out of there, all over the front. We got Cody still blowing off the street there. So we got it all wrapped up over here on this here side. We got that all cleaned up. And as you can see, over on the other side, we got all the leaves out of there. So this here's the way it looks after taking my time and just getting in here and getting this one here taken care of. So we're finna head off and go do another one now. So this here's the way the back look. We got all of this here all mowed down and everything here. So got it cleaned up. So yeah, it took some time, but that's where everything looks. So we got this one. So I'm just giving y'all a quick view of the way it looks. Now finna head off, as I say, I'm finna head off and see about getting another one taken care of today. I think we got time enough to get another one in. Yeah, so this has been a full day. Nothing but just cleaning up and mowing and ooh, let me see if I can get this here gate. See if I can get this back locked. Okay, give me y'all a quick view of that. All right. Yeah, I got it locked. Okay, so let me see if I can get to this other one right now. I'm ready to go. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. All right, gotta go.